Operation Kwara Shield is therefore a proactive and coordinated response. The Joint Task Force will cover the entire Kwara State and parts of Niger State. Its primary mandate is to secure lives and property, neutralize terrorists and criminal elements, disrupt kidnapping networks, and restore law and order within the joint operational area. This operation will be intelligence-driven, community-focused, and intelligence in execution. Our synergy will ensure unity of effort, optimal use of resources, and sustained operational momentum.
I thank the Chief of Defense Staff for making this happen very quickly. We're truly relieved with this deployment. People will sleep better now, seeing this deployment coming into form.